What is electrical load in the power grid? Imagine a busy city at rush hour. Cars, buses, bikes all moving, stopping, and starting. Now, think of the power grid as that city and the electrical load as all the vehicles on the road. It's the total amount of electricity that everyone connected to the grid is using at any moment. This includes everything from your home appliances to large factories and office buildings. Electrical load is constantly changing. During the day, when people are awake and using devices, the load is high. Early mornings and late evenings see the biggest spikes because people turn on lights, heaters, and appliances. In the middle of the night, the load drops as fewer devices are in use. Weather also plays a big role. On very hot days, air conditioning units run more, increasing the load. Cold days make heating systems work harder, which also raises demand. Utilities measure this load in units called kilowatts and megawatts. 1 kilowatt equals 1,000 watts, and 1 megawatt equals 1 million watts. These measurements tell utilities how much power is being used at a specific time. They keep a close on this because if the load gets too high, the system can become overwhelmed. That might cause blackouts or brownouts, where the power flickers or goes out altogether. If the load is too low, it can waste resources and make the system less efficient. To manage this, utilities divide the load into different categories. Gross load is the total demand across a whole region or country. Net load is what remains after subtracting power generated from renewable sources like solar and wind. This helps utilities know how much traditional power plants need to produce to meet demand. Managing electrical load is vital for keeping the power grid stable. Utilities forecast future loads to plan how much power to generate and when to do maintenance. They also use this data for demand response programs, which encourage consumers to reduce usage during peak times. This helps prevent overloads and keeps electricity flowing smoothly. The entire system from power plants, through high-voltage transmission lines, to local substations, and finally to your home or business, depends on balancing this load. If the load suddenly spikes or drops, the grid must adjust quickly to keep everything running safely. In simple terms, electrical load is the heartbeat of the power grid. It's what drives the entire system, making sure everyone gets the electricity they need when they need it. Utilities monitor and manage this load constantly to keep the lights on and the machines running without interruption.